Introduction. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is the latest iteration of Chevrolet's popular compact SUV. Known for its blend of style, performance, and practicality, the 2025 model year promises significant updates, both in terms of design and technology. Available in multiple trims, including the RS and Activ, and with a new electric variant, the Equinox EV, this vehicle aims to cater to a broad range of consumers. Design and styling. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox has undergone a significant design overhaul, making it more modern and appealing. Exterior. The 2025 Equinox features a sleek, aerodynamic exterior with a bold front grille and redesigned LED headlamps. The RS and Activ trims offer unique styling cues, such as sportier bumpers and distinctive wheels, with the RS emphasizing a performance-oriented look and the Activ offering a rugged, off-road-ready appearance. Interior. Inside, the Equinox boasts a spacious and upscale cabin with high-quality materials. The layout is driver-focused, with an intuitive infotainment system and a range of comfort features. Upgraded trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and ambient lighting. Performance and powertrains. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox offers a variety of powertrain options to meet different driving preferences. Standard engine. The base models are equipped with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. Performance option. For those seeking more power, an optional 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine is available, providing enhanced performance. Equinox EV. The all-new Equinox EV introduces an electric powertrain, delivering impressive range and instant torque. This variant is part of Chevrolet's broader push towards electrification. Technology and features. The 2025 Equinox is packed with advanced technology to enhance both convenience and safety. Infotainment system. All models come standard with a large touchscreen infotainment system that includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Higher trims offer a larger screen, a premium sound system, and wireless charging. Driver assistance. Chevrolet's suite of safety features, known as Chevy Safety Assist, is standard. This includes automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and more. Optional features include adaptive cruise control, a surround view camera, and parking assist. Trims and variants. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is available in several trims, each catering to different preferences and needs. LS and LT. These are the base and mid-level trims, offering a solid set of standard features and options for upgrades. RS. The RS trim focuses on sportiness, with a more aggressive design, sport-tuned suspension, and unique interior accents. Activ. The Activ trim is geared towards adventure seekers, featuring enhanced ground clearance, off-road tires, and additional body cladding for rugged terrain. Equinox EV. The electric variant, offering a different driving experience with zero emissions and advanced electric powertrain technology. Reviews and reception. Early reviews of the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox have been largely positive. Performance. Reviewers have praised the vehicle's balance of performance and comfort, noting the smooth ride and responsive handling. Interior quality. The cabin's upscale materials and advanced technology have been well received, with particular acclaim for the user-friendly infotainment system. Versatility. The variety of trims and powertrains, including the new EV, provides options for a wide range of buyers, from families to eco-conscious drivers. Pricing and availability. The pricing for the 2025 Chevrolet Equinox varies based on the trim and options selected. Base models. The starting price for the base LS trim is competitive within the compact SUV segment. Higher trims. The RS and Activ trims are priced higher, reflecting their additional features and performance enhancements. Equinox EV. The pricing for the Equinox EV is expected to be higher than the conventional models, reflecting its advanced electric technology. Conclusion. The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox stands out as a versatile and modern compact SUV, offering something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a stylish daily driver, a sporty performer, a rugged adventurer, or a forward-thinking electric vehicle, the Equinox's broad range of trims and features ensures it remains a top contender in its class. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, refined design, and Chevrolet's commitment to quality, the 2025 Equinox is poised to continue its legacy of success.